Hi everyone, today I will have a review of the Bluehost in this year 2026 and welcome to Tutorials by David. If you're planning to build a website in 2026, then let's start off with Bluehost and what to expect. So Bluehost stands out in 2026 for its beginner-friendly interface, reliable uptime, solid customer support, and seamless WordPress integration, making it practical choice for bloggers, small businesses, and first-time website users. So first, you want to head to Bluehost website and choose a hosting plan where you can see right here for commerce we have 3.99 per month. We have business or this one is for starters. I'm sorry. This one is for business and this one is for e-commerce essential which is $14.99 per month. So you want to sign up and pick your free domain name or connect once you're already owned. Then complete the sign up process. Once logged in, Bluehost automatically installed WordPress so you can start customizing your site right away. From the dashboard, choose a theme, install essential plugins, and manage your site setting with ease. Then Bluehost, yes, will do all of that for you, and then you can now start making website in this year 2026.